If you're watching this, you've probably already used Retell, or you're about to, and something is nagging at you, and honestly, fair. People go hunting for Retell alternatives for three pretty consistent reasons. The primitive cost that quietly creeps up, the fact that it's a voice infrastructure, so you have to bolt it onto your own system, and the small detail that you basically need a developer to build the thing and then babysit it forever. So we lined up the 5 best alternatives, what each one's actually good at, and who should pick it. Let's go. Starting with the one most people leaving Retell are quietly looking for: CloudTalk. Retell hands you the parts to build a voice agent. CloudTalk gives you the finished thing. The AI agent is already wired into a full phone system with native CRM sync to HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive, real telephony in 160 plus countries, and a call analytics out of the box without any infrastructure gluing and developers on standby. It answers in 60 plus languages under 800 milliseconds, and your reps dial right back out of the same tool. CloudTalk plans start at $19 a user. Basically, it's Retell's intelligence minus the some assembly required. If you like to build your own idea but not the actual building, there's Synthflow. It is a drag and drop builder with ready-made templates that gets an agent live in about an hour. No code in sight, and it covers the essentials: 50 plus integrations, appointment booking, voicemail detection, multilingual calls, and even white labeling so agencies can resell it under their own name. The trade-off versus Retell is depth. It's lighter and you are still bringing your own phone line, but for spinning agents up fast across a bunch of clients, it's hard to beat. If you're leaving Retell, but you're a developer who genuinely wants to control, don't downgrade to something simpler. Go to Vapi. It lets you bring your own model, voice, and transcription for every single layer, handles the real-time orchestration, and gives you function calling so the agent can hit your APIs mid-call and actually do the things: book a slot, look up an order, update the record, while scaling to thousands of concurrent calls. However, it is the most work. Same build-it-yourself reality as Retell, just with more knobs to turn and more ways to break it at 2 a.m. For one very specific job, pumping out high-volume outbound, Bland is the pick. It runs its own models on its own infrastructure, so it holds up across thousands of calls. The voice cloning is unsettlingly good in the best way, and its conversational pathways keep the agent locked to your script instead of freestyling. It does 40 plus languages and warm transfers to a human when things get real. Just know it leans on the enterprise side with a $299 to a $499 monthly plan stacked on top of the primitive rates. So it's a overkill if outbound at scale isn't basically your whole personality. And last, if your team designs conversation rather than codes them, there is Voiceflow. Think Figma, but for what the AI actually says. A shared visual canvas where your whole team maps the flows together, builds for voice and chat at the same time, wires in a knowledge base, and does a test before launch. The integrations are lighter than everything else here, so it's more design studio than production engine, but for getting the conversations right before you ship it, it's genuinely lovely. You can spend your weekends wiring telephony into science experiments and paying a developer to keep it alive, or you can open CloudTalk where the AI, calling, and CRM already show up assembled and clocked in. The choice is up to you, but there's a free trial in the description down below with no credit card requirements. Go break it yourself. If this video saved you hours of time researching, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.